Here are some of the top news story headlines in the cryptocurrency markets today. A lovely bank holiday Monday, where the birds are singing, the sun is shining bright, and the sand is beautiful between one's toes. The drinks are ice cold, and the people are all smiling and happy. It's a wonderful day. So let's go. Bitcoin trades above $77,000. Holding steady as a 5% slide in crude oil prices sparks relief across Asian equities and risk-on digital asset markets, following President Trump's recent announcements regarding the proposed peace framework. While Bitcoin maintains a strong macro market dominance heading into late May 2026, Ethereum is enduring a period of compression, with the ETH/BTC ratio matching its year-to-date low of roughly 0.027. Bitcoin stabilizes over $77,000. Crypto market capitalization gains traction as crude oil slides. ETH/Bitcoin ratio hits 2026 low. Ethereum underperforms Bitcoin amid broader macroeconomic headwinds. Downside liquidity cleared. Bitcoin price rebounds after tapping critical weekly support targets. Extreme fear sweeps sentiment. Crypto Fear and Greed Index drops to 25 despite stable price levels. Shorter trading week, tailwinds. Analysts eyes a historically bullish week for digital assets during U.S. holiday thin liquidity. Whale rotation intensifies. Long-term holders swap large-cap assets as Bitcoin targets $250,000 predictions. Solana faces challenging 2026. High-speed altcoin undergoes steep volatility despite leading network throughput. Cardano remains under pressure. ADA slips below $0.250 following weakening derivatives metrics. AI tokens spark fresh rallies. Near Protocol and Grass post double-digit gains on back of AI narratives. XRP trends below moving averages. Ripple's token struggles to form momentum amid a broader risk-off mood. Privacy coins outperform sector. Privacy-focused digital currencies quietly beat memes and AI tokens this week. Alpha Pepe presale tops $1.03m. Meme project sells out stage 16 as AI DEX demo hits 5,000 active users. Zcash secures $25 million funding. New development entity Volatile backs the privacy asset roadmap. EdgeX corrects 11% post-upgrade. Profit-taking triggers pullback after token hits a fresh all-time high. WorldCoin drops 7%. WLD tokenomics overhaul rally cools down at key technical resistance. Caspa sheds 5.7%. KAS decline tracks broader $2.5 trillion crypto market cap retraction. Chile's hit by macro sell-off. CHZ drops over 7% on hawkish Federal Reserve signals. Institutional and corporate movements. Nasdaq wins SEC nod for options. Financial giant greenlit to list Bitcoin index options. BlackRock files for staked ETH ETF. Proposes ETHB ticker to pass native yields directly to shareholders. Harvard dumps entire Ethereum position. University endowment unloads $87 million ETH stake 1 quarter after purchase. I wonder, what do they know? Coinbase VP dismisses Wall Street threat. Exchange says it welcomes traditional finance entering the spot market. Strategy's Bitcoin treasury hits $65 billion. Mega firm confirms it holds historic stash but signals potential minor rebalancing. Satoshi era whale moves $200 million. Dormant tokens transferred directly to FalconX and Cumberland desks. Trump media holds crypto stash. DJT firm moves but denies selling $205 million in Bitcoin amid market choppy water. NYSE owner partners for crypto oil contracts. Intercontinental Exchange joins OKX for perpetual oil futures on-chain. Ledin predicts $1 trillion Bitcoin loan boom. Wealth platform identifies massive untapped institutional lending market. Nakamoto Limited enacts 1-for-40 reverse split. Strategic move aims to secure Nasdaq listing for Bitcoin treasury firm. Mark Cuban sells Bitcoin holdings. Billionaire claims asset disappointed as a geopolitical hedge during recent crises. No one cares. Coinbase cuts workforce. Again, what a shocker. Exchange reduces headcount to double down on cross-chain security and stablecoins. Variational bridges TradFi to blockchain. Liquidity Protocol successfully launches institutional-grade trading rails. CA10 Labs raises $30 million. Series A. Circle co-founder debuts the following. AI native bank, infrastructure project policy, regulation, and macroeconomy. The Clarity Act shakes up Senate. New stablecoin legislation moves forward, threatening to alter yield landscapes. SEC delays tokenized stock rules. Regulatory body pushes back exemption framework following industry outcry. Stablecoins labeled risk to economy. Wall Street Journal warns private money resurgence could trigger financial crises. Congress targets Polymarket and Kalshi. Massive insider trading probe launched against decentralized prediction markets. Circle valuation stays in focus. Federal Reserve direct access rules weigh on USDC issuers' upcoming corporate maneuvers. Abolish Super PACs Act introduced. U.S. lawmakers seek to cap individual donations at $5,000 to limit crypto influence. South Korea probes Polymarket. Local regulators investigate decentralized betting platform for potential gambling violations. CFTC purge investigation. Media reports allege staff were reassigned for questioning Trump-tied crypto ventures. SEC Commissioner Pierce sounds off. Crypto mom counters claims that new SEC rules will foster synthetic token markets. Tether's new GELT stablecoin. Stablecoin giant partners with the Georgian government for localized token launch. Federal Reserve January 2027 rate hike, priced in. Geopolitical shifts alter macro outlook, delaying long-awaited crypto-friendly rate cuts. Tech, Web3, and security quantum computing threats accelerate. Security experts warn AI is rapidly speeding up quantum vulnerabilities for crypto networks. Satoshi's 11 MBTC declared safe. Cryptographers claim historic wallets can be insulated from future quantum attacks. Vitalik responds to Ethereum critiques. Buterin details path forward following key researcher departures from the foundation. Ethereum Foundation to become smaller ship. Core team pledges to sell less ETH and tighten internal engineering operations. Hyperliquid rivals top exchanges. FalconX reports the decentralized platform is directly challenging prediction and spot markets. Cardano governance votes down ADA roadmap. Input-output faces funding friction as a $33 million ADA development vote fails. Polymarket exploit drains 5,000 POL. On-chain smart contract exploit drains funds every 30 seconds before being contained. Crypto mining used in Brazilian power theft. Police raid exposes organized gang converting stolen grid energy into portable Bitcoin. CZ surfing accident. Hoax deceives markets. Fake news triggers wild meme coin trading frenzy across Solana and BNB chains. These are just some of today's headlines. I will be breaking down some of these stories in a coming video.